Hello, today's date is March 8th, 2018. I'm filming this video source inspection for SciTech Process Solutions. My name is Matt Gifford. I'm part of our sales team here at SciTech. I work for the West Coast. Because our videos are uploaded to the web and we like to keep our customers' privacy, I will provide a general location and purchase order number to identify this tool. The customer is in the San Jose area and their purchase order number is 100537668. Today we will be reviewing a fully refurbished ST-860 SRD. We're going to pan to a clip of the tag on the back of the tool. We're a little full in our final test area here, but this tag is how our customer in SciTech can identify this as their double stack. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started here. I want you to know that we will be doing a 40-second rinse and a 280-second dry. This customer has a two-stage controller. They C225 to operate here. It isn't uncommon with the older style tools to only have two stages. Instead of having two dries, we only have one dry each. Our build quality, we have the skins on here, so I'm not going to show you the head assembly, but under this big white poly enclosure, everything on this head is labeled with the names of the parts as well as SciTech labels that have our part number, website, and phone number, just in case the customer ever needs to replace a part down the road. We put a lot of extra time into our labeling here to make life easier for our customers so we can help them as quickly as possible and limit tool downtime. Anyways, I'm going to run both heads at once. Let's begin. 40-second rinse is now underway. Every refurbishment that SRDs go through at SciTech go through the same extensive process. First, we will take a tool and break it down to the component level. From here, we individually test all components for function, chemically clean and electropolish all metal parts, and inspect, then replace all poly as necessary. We are wrapping up our rinse, moving into the dry. Once all parts are prepped, single SRD heads are built up and reviewed in our dry quality control. Here is where we inspect the tool prior to any facilities being installed. I'm going to go ahead and walk up to the tool now. As you can see, we got our heater indicators on here in the top left corner. Our door seal is inflated, which you can tell by the screen light. And obviously we're getting some power. The tool is running smoothly. Everything is working well with this SRD. So we're just under 4 minutes left in the cycle. I'll continue telling you about our refurbishment process. Once the SRD passes our dry quality control, this is where we install facilities and review the tool in our wet quality control. This is where we test the tool for full function. The final step after the tool passes dry QC and wet QC is we install them into the final configuration. This is the configuration that is before you today. If the customer is sending ahead without any poly, it would be different than this configuration as we have a full double stack with a poly enclosure. Once we get the tool installed in the final test, we run each head assembly at least 50 times with varying process recipes to ensure the SRD is ready for plug-and-play installation into our customer's fab. So we have just over 2.5 minutes left in our cycle. I'm going to talk about our semi-tool SRD spare parts support. This is my wheelhouse. I specialize in semi-tool spare parts and service. In addition to our refurbishment, SciTech also offers 100% spare parts and service support for our SRDs. That means we stock every single part and can perform every single repair required to keep your semi-tool SRDs up and running. This includes motors and motor repairs, controllers and controller repairs, amps and amp repairs, windows, door seals, heater blankets, N2 heaters, solenoid valves, ACR valves, tax sensors, rotor stop positioners, and any other part or service needed. We are the world leader in semi-tool SRD spare parts. One part I did not mention is rotors. We supply rotors as new, and we are also able to perform rebalances on rotors. This is just another one of the many services we can provide for your SRDs. In addition to semi-tool SRDs, we also supply other multitude of front-end fab equipment, as we're at about 100 seconds left in the cycle. We also provide box washers, including the HTC 8010, 20, and 30, mask cleaners, such as K&S and Ultra T models, photoresist pumps and pump repairs for IDI, Cybor, and Millipore, metrology tools, such as profilometers, ellipsometers, resistivity, and more, barrel ashers and etchers, microscopes, as well as YES ovens. As you can see, SciTech is your one-stop shop for front-end fab equipment. So our top head has about a half minute left. Our bottom head is about 20 seconds behind here. We're still getting heat. Everything's running smooth. And you can actually feel a little bit of heat, and that's okay. Everything's running in tip-top shape. So the top head has about 5 seconds. We're nearing the end of the process now. You'll be able to see the rotor ramp down, but this doesn't mean the process is yet. Keep an eye on the top head. Wait until you see the rotor upright before opening the door. Tugging on the door before the door seal is released can cause damage to your SRD. So you can tell here, we still have 10 seconds in the bottom head that we're slowing down. With the analog controllers, there will be a delay before the RSP fires into the upright position. You want to wait until it fires in the upright position and you hear the air release. Once the air releases, your door light will turn off and it will be safe to open the door. We're ramping down here in head 2 now. Since we have a few extra seconds here due to the delay, light is turned off, door seal is released for both heads. Substrates are dry. Dry substrates in head number 2. Now, I will go ahead and just set this on top for now. I want to get my final point here. This customer had a sister site give them this tool, and they wanted us to take a look before we refurbished it for them. There was a lot of additional work that had to be performed on this tool. The tool originally came with no heating elements, no blankets, no heater cartridges. We had to do a lot of additional wiring work to the harnesses, as well as install new heating elements on here. They're going to be pleased to know that these tools have heat, and it's going to work really well for their process. Anyways, process is complete for this ST-860. We thank you for watching today's video source inspection. If you have any semi-tool SRD support needs, please visit our website, www.scitechprocess.com. Give us a call at 916-797-9000. And if you're on the West Coast, my name is Matt Gifford one more time, and my direct extension is 2204. If you'd like to visit our website and you want to send us a formal quote directly to our RFQ, directly to our sales team, please use our email address, sales@scitechprocess.com. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.